Hey guys, it's Damon here from DecoExchange, and today I wanted to go over how to add a metal sign to a wreath. Alright, so there are tons of options. The first one is, getting a nail and a hammer, picking a point on the sign, and just making a little hole through the metal. Alright, you can do the same thing with this little tool made to do that. It has a little tip on the end. Of course, this one is not going to pop right now. Alright, there we go. I'll make this tip a little bit bigger. Alright, so now we have a hole on both sides. One was done with just a screw. One was done with a tool made to make holes. And you can easily take your pipe cleaner, string it through the hole, wrap it around, give it a little twist, and now you have a place to pull it through the mesh and attach it to the wreath frame. Do the same thing over here. Alright, done. Alright, the next option is to get a metal hole punch. You can get this from Michael's, from Amazon. It's for jewelry making. And you just pick where you want your hole, give it a little pinch, undo it, and you have a little hole ready for a pipe cleaner. Alright. Step number 4 involves a few things. You can get these 1" by 1" electrical mounting bases from just about any hardware store, Walmart. They have a sticky back, but I don't really trust the sticky back. So I'm going to use this Rapid Fuse DAP product. Alright, so this DAP fuse I got from Home Depot. You have to hold it in place for 30 seconds and it cures in 5 minutes. So if we open it up, we can put just a little dot of this where we want to add it. Let's close it so it doesn't dry up. Peel off the sticky back. And apply our square to the sign. Alright. Now, I then take one of these little baby clamps and clamp it in place. And I'll just leave that clamp on there for about 5 minutes. Once it's done, you take your pipe cleaner and you run it right through the little square, the little holes on the square. Tie it off, and you can easily attach it to your wreath. Now, if you don't like seeing the pipe cleaner on the front of the sign, then this is your option. Alright, so in under 5 minutes, I showed you guys 4 different ways that you can attach a metal sign to your wreaths. Y'all have a good one.